If you are a tester and you wanted to perform mobile applications testing, definitely it is a very critical task for you. When we are performing testing or mobile optic applications testing, normally we have to think through ease of ease tool, which all functionalities required to be tested. What will be the easiest way where we can achieve it, and timelines as well, because developer and management teams always start pushing you to do the testing quickly, but how you can tackle all those steps. Consider scenario, we have application file manager for Android devices, and you have a lot of functionalities to be tested, but you don't have enough time because of the tight deadlines. How you can achieve it? Definitely automations tools will be able to help you, but which automations tool you will select? What will be the assurance from these tools that can be done quickly? Do you really get time to automate those processes? Just sitting and writing a lines of code? Definitely not. To solve all those issues, testRigors will help you to achieve it. testRigors will do test automations for your mobile devices very quickly. That too, without investing a lot in terms of physical devices, which also gives you a virtual devices test your environment into multiple devices as well. Let's see how we can build end-to-end test cases for mobile applications and test it quickly. If you are visiting this channel first time, feel free to click on like and subscribe button. If you don't know about test triggers, I've created more than 30 videos on test triggers covering different use cases and scenario. If you wanted to learn all of them, feel free to refer playlist from descriptions, which will help you to understand each and everything about test trigger. Now, question for you is, if you're using any other automations tool, what is the name of the tools which is helping you to resolve all your queries into automations? To start with this, I downloaded some of the APK files I wanted to upload into the test trigger environment and start testing it. Here we have to create test suites, mobile application testing is the test suite name which I wanted to give, add 2909. After this, I will select mobile web or native and hybrid mobile devices. Here we'll get an options to upload the APK file. I wanted to select file manager APK. Click on open. This takes few seconds, and after that, if we have username and passwords, we'll add it. Provider, we will have built-in browser stack, Lambda and all, but I wanted to go ahead with the default built-in features which is available into testRigor. Android or iOS, these two options we have in terms of operating system or devices. I wanted to go ahead with the latest one, Samsung Galaxy S20. Number of test cases 1. Here we have to add some descriptions. Now we are good. Upload and create. Let us click on this. It takes few seconds to upload this APK file. Depending on the size of the files, it get uploaded and then you'll get an interface. So start testing it. It will highlight with the pop-up to generate the steps or test cases from AI. I wanted to create test cases by my own. That's the reason I will click on do not add any test. Otherwise, you can click on add and build. Because I know the UI and features, so I can add it by my own. Whenever application starts, you will jump into this interface, and from this interface, you can start building the test cases for your own. Here we'll add test mobile feature, or I wanted to do some sanity testing on all the features which exist into mobile applications. First, I will add click, and within this send this next. Here we have this click. After this, whenever we are giving the permissions to these type of applications, I will add allow access to manage all files. Here we are providing the access to the devices. After that, we'll add check that page contains file manager plus icon and this closed. Next will be click storage analysis. Because I wanted to verify all those features, I need to have the idea about what all features we have within this applications. Here we'll add click storage analysis. After that, I will add check that page contains in double code storage analysis. Post this, I will add clear, deny to provide all those accesses. And after this, we'll add go back. So these are the scripts which we are building it for testing our functionality of mobile applications, which is in plain English language. We don't have to write, sit down and do everything, entire code into the coding languages, which is much easier. Anyone can do this. Even non-technical person can also do it. Click on home, click on main page, main storage. Now our script is ready. Let's start checking the entire script. Then we'll process for execution. If you can see, I added click next, allow access to manage files, checking for file manager plus storage analysis, click clear, deny, and then we are going back. It's covering the entire navigations within the mobile applications. Along with that, I'm also verifying or clicking on folders, different folders which exist under the mobile applications, because this is a file manager app. So you can consider every folder which is present under mobile devices is available here. We are clicking on documents. After that, we are performing check that page contains empty folder, clicking on home, main storage, verifying DCIM folder present is or not, clicking on Android, going back where we are using AI features to verify the icon present in the mobile with the 3 lines. After that, we are also verifying click actions on recycle bin, Android, home, downloads, and then we are good. We have lot of steps to be performed as a verifications point of view. And after those actions, we can expect the results to be displayed. Let me start running this process or automations and see how it behaves under the mobile application. So execution has been started. You can expect the screenshot started generating very quickly. Now, post executions, we can see entire screenshots has been generated. And these screenshots, let's verify what all components it exactly verified in testRigor. First screen will be this, where we are trying to access the file manager applications. When we'll click on this, we'll have the manage or allow access permissions. And then it's trying to get the file manager details. And post this, we can see storage analysis. So exactly what step we have mentioned is trying to get it verified using testRigor. And if you remember, the entire script itself is not having any single line of code. We used entirely a plain English language, which is helping us to generate the entire script. It means even business users or non-technical person can also use this tool to make their automations ready. Now let's move to the next one. Here we can see the clear tab. Then we have the screenshots, and after that we are denying this. We are clicking on deny, and then we will reach to this page. After that, we are again back to this screen. We'll try to get details from documents, where documents folder does not have any data. We are collecting this empty folder. Detail is a part of verifications, and then we are coming back to the same locations. Then we'll go inside the main storage and try to check DCIM folder. DCIM folder also have these details. Here we are checking the recycle bin, and if recycle bin is present, it means our verification is done. After that, we are trying to click on ellipsis. Then we are checking on apps and entering inside the apps where we will have the entire app list. After that, we are going to the all sections where we will have all those downloaded APK files, and that's it. So this is showing the entire execution snap which is generated here. You can go directly see the snaps, or even you'll click on each of the steps and check what we are trying to do or what we are trying to achieve. Each and every step will have their details along with the snap generated. This is the end-to-end flow which we try to automate using mobile applications, where we are verifying DCIM folder here. Along with that, we are also doing the verifications on some other components like using click actions for AI, or automations trying to click on this image as well or icon as well. And here you can see, check that page contain DSCM folder. Then we have Android, clicked on Android downloads. Then we are checking the downloads folder, downloaded files. These all verifications we are doing with the help of testRigor. So that's the power of an AI tool, which is helping us to automate each and every steps, which will be useful during our mobile test automations journey. So that's all about automating your entire automations or mobile automations with the help of testRigor. Now, question for you is, have you ever seen this type of examples in any automations tool which is giving you a flexibility of AI as well as giving opportunity to write the test cases or to code it in plain English language? If you know any of those tools, give me in comments. If not, then also at least try to say no in the comment section, so at least we'll get to know. This is the first tool which we are looking at, which is having AI capabilities as well as giving you flexibility to write the code in plain English language. That's all from today. Hope you enjoyed the content and learned from it. If you wanted to support or helps to any of your colleagues, feel free to share this video with them. If you have any comments, feedback, suggestions, feel free to add. We'll be happy to read your comments throughout the video. That's all from today. Hope you liked it, and we'll see you in next video. Thank you.